Hi lovelies, welcome. So today's video we'll be learning how to make an African wall decor with your African print, otherwise known as Ankara. So let's get started. So for your materials, you need your African print, you need the scissors, a top bond or a stick, you need your toothbrush, you need a pencil, and then you need a carton, the thick one. Then you also need a cardboard. You can also work with a straw board if you don't have a carton. Then get anything that has a circle shape. You could work with the cover of a pot or anything at all that has a circle shape. I'm working with the cover of a paint bucket. So on your carton, draw with a pencil, trace it out, and then pick your scissors and then just trace out, or pardon me, cut out the part where you traced. So once you're done, set that aside. Then repeat the same thing for your cardboard. This step isn't necessary, but if you want your work to be neat, then you should do it. So you cut out the exact same circle on your cardboard. And next you pick your African print. Now for your African print, ensure that the circle is bigger than the previous circle. So I'm not drawing a circle because I already have a piece of fabric cut out. But if you want to cut a piece of fabric afresh, pick a bigger circle and then cut, because we need the space so as to fold in the fabric. So can you see now that I placed the circle on it and then I left out the space, and I'm just going to cut out the space. So next I'll pick this is like a twine. You can use a twine or a ribbon or a rope, anything that has a rope. And then I'm just going to punch two lines. You can punch with anything. Your pen should do the punching for you, your pencil. So punch it, make sure it comes out on the other side, and then pass your rope or your ribbon or whatever it is you're using, and then just tie it once just to lock it. We are going to elaborate later. So can you see how it looks in the front? So now for the part that has the front, you are going to apply your gum. So just apply the gum round. Make sure you concentrate on the edges. So once I'm done, flip it and just press it down with your finger or your palm, and then again apply the gum round. It's not compulsory for you to have a sellotape on your cardboard. I did this because I wanted to do something. If you see that, I ended up removing the sellotape because it was disturbing my work. Just apply your gum generously, and then you begin the folding in process. If your gum is missing on any side, just reapply, and then begin to fold in your Ankara. Just press it securely with your hand. So what I'm going to do next is right on the Ankara fabric, I'm going to apply my gum, especially at the edge, because now it's time for me to cover it with my cardboard. Like I said, this step is not necessary, but it makes your work neat. So, I mean, nobody's really going to be flipping to the back to see your design, but just in case you're doing it for a client, then you should do this step. So the next thing now, I'm going to unravel the knot that I tied. So I just separate it. And then I'll pick my cardboard. And then I'll just place it directly, edge to edge. So once I'm done with that, I'll open it a bit. Now I'll mark the part where my rope is. And then just pass the rope into it. And then I'll cover it back. And just press it down with my finger. So then I'll tie this rope again. And then I'll just cut out any excesses. So if there's any excess cardboard showing at the edge, just pick your scissors and trim it. So that's it, guys. That's how to make the wall decor. And yeah, can you see I already have two on the wall? I'm just going to go ahead and show you this. And no, I'm not this short. The camera was a bit up. That's why I looked that short. Okay, so this is how to make your wall decor. Now, if you want to make this, all you have to do is adjust your measurement. You can work with a rectangle shape. If you also want to make this, you can work with this is like a what's this called now? It's not triangle. I'm missing out something. What's it? Square shape. Yeah, this is square shape. So you can cut out a square shape, different sizes, and then just have it hanged on your wall. Okay.